Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl, Etoro, aka Glam, and we're back. I know it's been a while. It's been a few days, but we're back. I wanted to bring you guys along for a very regular few days in my life. So just a couple errands, some tidbits and things that I like to get done on my down days. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I'll see you guys. Bye. Thank you.
That's just your money. Get your money.
Hello friends, hello. It is Sunday. Insert day here. The girl's supposed to get some crab legs. We went to a new spot, so pray for me that I actually like it. Hi, hello. Wow, anybody who told you I'm not that. Hey guys, so we have just made it inside. I told you guys it's a new place that I'm trying crab legs out for the first time. So we're gonna see what it's hitting for. Hopefully it's good. It should be good. Like I don't know. I don't think I've ever had crab legs and not really liked it. And I'm kind of hungry. Sunday, post church, and they playing my jams in here, so let's enjoy some crab legs. Was so good. Update, calm update, because I didn't show y'all the food, but it was hella good. Hey guys, what is up? It is Tuesday. I know, I told y'all this is going to be like a very non-eventful week in my life, or a couple days in my life. Just to show you guys I'm not always doing something crazy, okay? It is 7:53, almost 8 o'clock at night. I've just gotten home from work. Did a little bit of grocery shopping because I want to do a little bit of like meal prep or whatever for the week. I am just going to make my like easy go-to salad mix that I love to have. So I picked up some things for that. So I'll kind of show you guys what I got. Stopped at H Mart and Trader Joe's. If you guys are familiar, H Mart's like an Asian supermarket. I didn't vlog any of it because I didn't have my camera and my phone was just not it today. But I do have clips from a previous vlog in H Mart that I never ever uploaded. It just, that vlog never made it to anything. I think it was about 2 weeks ago. So I'll insert those clips here for those of you who are not familiar with H Mart, so you know like what types of things they sell. This is where I buy most of my fruits and vegetables. They have like pretty much every single fruit you can think of. Like look at all these different varieties. Definitely where I get my dragon fruit, golden dragon fruit, hella expensive, $4.99. They have every variety of tomato you could possibly think of. Blueberries, strawberries, asparagus. That's plural for asparagus, by the way. They also have vegetables galore. Look at this. They have everything. Look at this. This whole area is for fruits and veggies. So yeah, let's shop.
Quando o menor manda desce que desce, quando eu mandar você quica, vem, vem periquita, vem, vem periquita, vem periquita, vem, vem periquita, faz desse jeito gostoso, mulher, vem rebolando na pica, vem, vem periquita, vem, vem periquita, vem, 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 vem periquita, vem, 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 vem,
are sea urchins. Oh my god, remember when I ate sea urchins in the Philippines? These are those suckers. Look. Ah, they're back. Lobster. Wow, look how huge these shrimp are. Wild pink shrimp. Humongous. King shrimp, these gotta be. Oh look, tiger shrimp. Listen, when I go to the restaurant and I tell them I want prawns, yeah, this is what I want.
So yes, I love H Mart fruits and vegetables. Their fruit and vegetable section is unmatched, okay? Unmatched. Their seafood selection is unmatched. It's just like thebomb.com. So I'll show you guys what I got. Starting with H Mart. Okay. Don't judge me, okay? I got a bunch of these like instant ramens. I love these. Like, I love to eat these for breakfast. Like, there's nothing I love more than a hot spicy soup for breakfast. So I got about 5 of them. I get different varieties. Obviously I get the really spicy ones. This one is really good, super spicy. This one is good. This one is good too. Obviously you could always tell which ones are going to be super spicy. Like, they're like either really black or red or turned up. So I got 5 of them. So what I like to do is I like to keep them in my work bag or whatever, so I'll eat them for lunch, for breakfast at work, or if I just want something really quick to eat. I love these. I love these, but I do not like top ramen and oodles and noodles, all that. I don't like those. These are where it's at. Those is not it. Then I picked up these gummy apple rings. I got these on a whim. Like, this is not something I normally would buy, but I was just like there and saw them and I wanted them, so I got them. Then I picked up 1.5 pounds of some salmon. They cut their salmon, and I think in the clips I showed you like how they have their fish and seafood laid out, so you just tell them how much you want and they cut it for you. So I told them 1.5 pounds. And this is $14.99 a pound, so it's about $20 spent here. My only complaint with like finding salmon around here that I found is that I cannot focus. There we go. I cannot find wild caught salmon. Like, everything is farm raised. This is farm raised, from Faroe Islands. I think that's like off the coast of Denmark or something, if I remember correctly. Whatever. Then we have some serrano peppers. Love me some serrano. I like to chop up my serranos really finely, and I think I'll show you guys that if I show you how I make my salad. I chop them up super fine and I sprinkle them in my salad for extra kick. If I either do that or I add like pickled peppers. Delicious. So we got a case of serranos, or packet of serranos. These are $2.55 for a little bit over 1/2 pound. Got some sweet potatoes. I always like to have a roasted root veggie in my salad. So my go-to is sweet potatoes, and I'll show you. I just chop them up, sprinkle them up with some seasoning and coconut oil, and I roast them in the oven. So I have those. I'm gonna make those tonight. Got a cucumber, whatever you want to call it. I got a cucumber. Chop these up in my salad. I love cucumber. Pause. Relax. This is relax, not that kind of party. And then we got some tomatin, sweet grape tomatin. I just slice these in half and I throw them in my salad too. So that's H Mart. I love getting my fruits and veggies and my seafood from H Mart. And Trader Joe's paper bag gang. Let's see, maybe we'll get a thumbnail from this. Trader Joe's gang. Oh, and I can tell you, I have my receipt here. My bill at H Mart was $39.86. Oh, no tax, no tax. Yes, we have tax exempt. Yeah, $39.86. Trader Joe's, I think, was about $20. I just got some kale, and I feel like they changed their kale packaging because this is not what it usually looks like. I got some kale that I'm gonna use for my salad. I love kale in my salads. I don't like a salad without kale. I got some bagel thins. This was not from Trader Joe's. If you know Trader Joe's, you know they don't sell this brand. I got these from ShopRite. I just quickly went into ShopRite. I forgot I did that. Got them because I've been like craving bagels, like, but I want to have bagels without all the bread. So I got the bagel thins. I got cinnamon raisin. I really really wanted plain, but they literally only had cinnamon raisin or everything, and I didn't want to get everything bagel because you'll see why in a second. I got the bagel to eat with my lox, my seasoned smoked salmon, and I got the everything but the bagel seasoned smoked salmon. So I smoked salmon. So I didn't want to get the everything bagel with everything bagel salmon, and then on top of that I got the everything but the bagel seasoning. So like that would have been like overkill. Like it just would have been everything, and like it's not that serious. That would have been too much everything. So I got the cinnamon raisin, which is fine with me. Y'all might think it's a little bit gross, but I love sweet and savory flavors mixed. So, and there's only a couple raisins in there. Y'all, if you eat cinnamon raisin bagels, you know it barely tastes like cinnamon. So, but that's a conversation for another time. Then at Trader Joe's, and I probably should have checked this before I left the store. Okay, it's not open. I got some vegan cream cheese because you know your girl is off that dairy pea. We don't do that dairy thing here. So I got vegan cream cheese, and their vegan cream cheese is pretty good. I have no complaints about it, to be very honest. And then to finish up my salad, I got the shredded green and red cabbage packets with carrots inside. So I mixed this with my kale, make my salad. Only thing Trader Joe's was missing for me today was the carrot ginger miso dressing that I love. Oh my gosh, they didn't have any. That's my favorite. It's a vegan, fresh, really good dressing. It's like perfect for my salad. So I do have the green one that they sell in the fridge, so I'll use that for the week, but whatever. So I'm gonna put this stuff away. I am going to prep my salmon, cook my potatoes, and mix up my salad for tomorrow for lunch. So I'm ready to go in the morning. Where's my tea? I could have sworn I bought my pomegranate tea. Hold on, I got ahead of myself. So I took the tea out the bag, but I also bought this from Trader Joe's. This is like currently my favorite tea. It's their organic pomegranate white tea. I am obsessed. I'm actually about to have a cup of tea now while I like cook and stuff and just de-wind and transit from work mode to home work mode. Love this. I steep it in a cup of boiling water. I put some agave. Delicious. It's good hot, it's good iced. I prefer to drink it hot and then let it cool down and have like the remaining like last third cold, so it's like an iced tea kind of. It's fabulous, and it's like $2.99 at Trader Joe's, and you get 20 packets. It's pomegranate white tea with hibiscus flowers and lemongrass. It's just really, really good, really delicate, not overbearing, and it steeps well. I love it. No complaints. So we're gonna make a cup of tea, and then we're going to put groceries away, and we're gonna cook.
Alive, saying, Selassie, I know. Now the race is not for the swift, only who can endure it. All of the fittest of the fittest shall survive. And when you start to survive, just keep yourself alive, saying, Selassie, I know. Run the band.
Hey guys, done in the kitchen, made it to the bed, not going to sleep yet. It's 9:25. So the reason why I don't have my wig on, oh, yawned. The reason why I don't have my wig on is because I made this wig in a rush and in a bout of laziness. I hot glued the whole thing together. The thing is laid, but the thing then pull apart. So I'm actually going to go in and sew down, like just tag down the closure to the wig. I think once I secure that, then your girl will be good to go. So I won't do that this night. I'm not gonna sleep before I do that. I have work to do. I have a video I want to finish editing tonight so I can put it up. Tomorrow's Wednesday. I low-key want to put it up tomorrow because I have another video I want to put up on Saturday, and then I won't post again until the following Thursday. But we'll see how that actually plays out. I feel like this is gonna be a real flat vlog. I'm just like everything. I'm just zenning this week. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill up my diffuser and get my aromatherapy going. I'm gonna wash my face and do my nighttime routine because I have not done my at-home nighttime routine in so long. Don't mind my lashes. So I'm just gonna get things together with my face first, then I'll do the wig, and then I'll get on the computer. Yes, sounds like a plan. Okay, let's go. Let's do that. Bye.